Welcome to the last class on Character and Leadership 2. May I ask this question, what's the difference between a leader and a manager? It's a question that often comes up in discussions about organizational success and personal development. It's a question every aspiring leader ponders. Understanding this distinction is essential for anyone looking to make a significant impact in their field. While both are vital for success, they have distinct roles. Leaders and managers contribute in unique ways to the overall functioning and progress of an organization. Leaders inspire and set the direction like a captain charting a course. They are visionaries who motivate their team to reach new heights and explore uncharted territories. Managers, on the other hand, focus on execution, ensuring the ship sails smoothly. They are the ones who turn the leader's vision into reality by managing day-to-day operations. Think of it like building a house. The process requires both a clear vision and meticulous execution. Leaders are the architects, envisioning the design and inspiring the team. They create the blueprint for success and rally everyone around a common goal. Managers are the contractors, making sure the right materials arrive on time and the construction stays on schedule. They handle the logistics and ensure that every detail is attended to. Understanding these differences is crucial, especially for you as university students. As you prepare to enter the professional world, knowing whether you are more suited to leadership or management can guide your career path. Whether you aim to lead a team or manage a project, knowing your strengths and weaknesses is key. Self-awareness will help you develop the skills needed to excel in either role. This essay will explore the unique traits of leaders and managers, their roles in organizations, and why understanding the difference is crucial for your journey in leadership. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of where you might fit best and how to leverage your unique abilities for success. Leaders are visionaries. They are the ones who see the potential in the unseen and the possibilities in the impossible. They see beyond the present, painting a picture of a brighter future. Their minds are always a step ahead, constantly envisioning what could be. They possess a clear understanding of where they want to go and inspire others to join their journey. This ability to inspire is what sets them apart. Think of Steve Jobs, who envisioned a world where technology was both beautiful and intuitive. His vision was not just about creating products, but about transforming lives. His vision led to the creation of revolutionary products like the iPhone, changing the way we communicate and interact with technology. It was a vision that reshaped industries and set new standards. Leaders don't just dream big, they communicate their vision effectively. They know that a vision is only as powerful as the belief it inspires in others. They articulate their ideas with passion and conviction, making others believe in their vision and strive towards it. Their words ignite a spark that fuels collective effort. Remember, a leader without a vision is like a ship without a rudder, destined to drift aimlessly. Vision provides direction and purpose. Cultivating your ability to envision the future and inspire others is essential for effective leadership. It's about seeing the unseen and making the impossible possible. Leaders are not just dreamers, they are doers. They inspire action, motivating their team to achieve shared goals. They possess a contagious enthusiasm that energizes and motivates those around them. Think of Nelson Mandela, who inspired millions to fight against apartheid in South Africa. His unwavering belief in equality and justice ignited a movement that ultimately led to the dismantling of the oppressive regime. Leaders inspire action by fostering a positive and encouraging environment. They celebrate successes, big or small, and provide constructive feedback to help their team learn and grow. Remember, leadership is not about commanding, but about inspiring. By fostering a culture of motivation and encouragement, you can ignite the spark in others and achieve extraordinary things together. The world is constantly changing and leaders embrace change. They understand that in order to stay relevant and ahead of the curve, they must be adaptable and open to new ideas. They are not afraid to challenge the status quo and explore new ideas. By questioning existing norms and pushing boundaries, They pave the way for groundbreaking innovations. They foster a culture of innovation, encouraging their teams to think outside the box and come up with creative solutions. This environment of open-mindedness and curiosity leads to remarkable breakthroughs. Think about Elon Musk, who constantly pushes the boundaries of technology with companies like Tesla and SpaceX. His vision and determination have led to advancements that were once thought impossible. His willingness to take risks and embrace innovation has revolutionized the automotive and space exploration industries. Musk's approach demonstrates that taking bold steps can lead to extraordinary achievements. Leaders understand that innovation is essential for growth and progress. They know that without continuous improvement and the adoption of new technologies, businesses can quickly become obsolete. They create an environment where new ideas are welcomed, experimentation is encouraged, and failure is seen as an opportunity to learn. This mindset not only drives success, but also fosters a resilient and forward-thinking team. Remember, the best leaders are not afraid to be different. They understand that true leadership involves taking the road less traveled and inspiring others to do the same. Embrace your creativity, challenge conventions, and never stop exploring new possibilities. By doing so, you can lead your team to new heights and make a lasting impact on the world. Section 5: Managers, the Orchestrators of Success. While leaders set the vision, managers bring that vision to life. They are the organizers, planners, and executors, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Think of a conductor leading an orchestra. The conductor doesn't play an instrument, but ensures that everyone is in sync, playing the right notes at the right time to create a harmonious melody. Managers excel at creating order out of chaos. They break down complex tasks into manageable steps, delegate responsibilities effectively, and monitor progress closely to ensure that everything stays on track. Remember, effective management is crucial for achieving goals. By developing your organizational and planning skills, you can become the conductor of your own success. Section 6: Planning and Execution. Managers get things done. Managers are masters of planning and execution. They develop detailed plans outlining each step needed to achieve the desired outcome. They anticipate potential obstacles, identify resources, and establish timelines to keep everyone on track. Imagine a project manager overseeing the construction of a new building. They meticulously plan every detail, from securing permits to coordinating with contractors, ensuring that the project is completed on time and within budget. Managers also excel at execution. They delegate tasks effectively, provide clear instructions, and hold their team accountable for delivering high-quality work. Remember, a plan without execution is just a dream. By honing your planning and execution skills, you can turn your visions into reality. Section 7: Leaders and Managers, a powerful partnership. Leaders and managers are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they complement each other. While they have distinct roles, they work in tandem to achieve common goals. Think of a successful sports team. The coach, a leader, inspires and motivates the players, while the team manager handles the logistics, ensuring that the players have the resources they need to succeed. Leaders provide the vision and inspiration, while managers provide the structure and organization to make that vision a reality. When both roles are effectively fulfilled, organizations thrive. Remember, neither leadership nor management alone is sufficient for sustained success. It's the synergy between the two that drives exceptional results. Section 8: Understanding the difference. A key to effective leadership. Understanding the difference between leadership and management is crucial for your development as effective leaders. It allows you to identify your strengths, leverage your skills, and build well-rounded teams. As you progress in your academic and professional journeys, you'll encounter situations that demand leadership and others that require strong management. Recognizing these situations and adapting your approach accordingly is key to success. Remember, leadership is not about your title, but about your influence and your ability to inspire others. By understanding the nuances of leadership and management, you can become a more effective and impactful leader regardless of your formal position. Section 9. Why this matters for you. As university students, you are the leaders of tomorrow. Whether you aspire to lead a company, a non-profit organization, or simply make a difference in your community, understanding the dynamics of leadership and management is essential. The concepts you are learning in your leadership courses provide you with valuable tools and frameworks for navigating the complexities of the professional world. By embracing these concepts and applying them to real-world situations, you can develop your leadership potential and make a meaningful impact. Remember, leadership is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and never stop growing as a leader. The future is yours to shape. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. For likely exam questions, please contact Prof.Olorunlana.